Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Urmi World. Today I will show you how you can rename the column names which are having patterns in it. Before proceeding further, let's explore the column names out here in this data set. If you see, there are the column names are like company, valuation, dollar B, which is the $1 billion valuation. Then there is a date underscore join. Similarly, if you go further, there is like founded underscore year, total raised underscore, total underscore raise. Similarly, financial underscore stage, investors underscore count. So there are a lot of underscores whenever there is a two words which are clubbing together. So in this case, you can see a pattern of underscore in between. Now I want to remove this pattern. I simply want to d- avoid this underscore and want to have a combined uh, word of this word, as in like if you say for the date underscore join, I just simply want date join, not date space join or anything, any other pattern. So I simply want to remove. So how I can do this kind of patterns to avoid in the column names? So first call your data frame, and here the data frame is df, in which this data file I have imported. So I will call this df.columns. This df.columns will give me the column names out here. I want to change the column names wherever this patterns is available. So I'll simply write df.columns is equal to df.columns and then dot str as in string. I want to replace this string, so we'll again call this call. I will again call in the string is a replace, and within that parenthesis I will assign what exactly right now is a underscore, and what I want to change is simply want without any space, nothing. I don't want any other pattern in between, just two words, and simply run this cell. Oops, we made a mistake here. It's a comma. You should write here comma. And then, yeah, now it's run successfully. Now df dot head. If you see, now the column names have been changed. Now this date underscore join now changed to date join. Similarly, founded underscore year is now founded year. Rest of them are remain as it is. There's the only change wherever there is a pattern, it's changed to without any space or without any other pattern in between the two words. I hope you really like this video. If you do, then please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I really appreciate if you write something in the comment section, whether it is a guidance or appreciation or anything you want me to improve in this. Please add any comments in the comment section. And see you in the next video.